Alright, so we're gonna do a backtest on the Hong Kong 50 and the Bollinger Band set at a period of 54, and we had the ADX at 55 and a level of 7. Right, we're using a risk factor of 1. I think I made the adjustment to the code where it is 10,000 versus 100,000 in the last video, so we saw that out. And yeah, we have a take profit percent of 4.3. So even if we don't get to the middle line in the Bollinger Band, once we hit 4.3% of the account, it would close the trade. So yeah, let me just start it and take a look at what's going on. So I made some adjustments to the display. So the first thing you'll notice is we have 3 lines that are constantly moving here. So the middle line is once it in a trade, if it above the middle line and it sells short, once it crosses below the middle line, it would close. And vice versa, if it's below the middle line and it buys, once it crosses above the middle line, it will close. The trade will enter once the price itself closes above or below the red line or the green line, right? But in order for that to happen, so you see there, it went above the line but it didn't enter a trade. So for the confirmation for this is the ADX value on this side, it needs to be, for this particular symbol, it needs to be 7. So here you would see the ADX checking, you know, the different values, but once it hits the level for the trade to enter, this would actually turn green. So you turn green there and then it took the trade. So yeah, that is kind of how it built now. It is pretty straightforward system. Mean reverting, you're not looking for trends, we're looking for pullbacks and so on. This is not one of those, you know, 100% a month systems. It very slow. It waits for the setup. Sometimes, you know, days could pass, probably weeks could pass where you don't get an actual setup. But you know, once I get it, for the most part, I think it's about 80% profitable. Right? How I choose to trade it, I using the scale in function that I did. So once you get the trade set up, it would constantly take the positions until the position is closed. So that is scaling in where you get a better price. If we see one of the trades that come up, we take a look at what that look like. And yeah, pretty straightforward. It's something that you could trade on your own. Keep in mind these lines are constantly moving. This just representing the Bollinger Bands and what the upper, lower, and middle line on the Bollinger Band is. Same thing, but I mean, I just kind of like it using the lines instead of the actual band. So you see here we had 2 trades and then it closed. So that is kind of how the system works. So yeah, I would just kind of speed up the video a bit more and you could take a look at the balance here and the equity, and you'll see how the curve going, and then we'll look at the report at the end of it. So see you in a bit. All right, so yeah, that is it there. So if we just look at the report now, so we made 800% with a 90.91% profitable trades, and we have a drawdown of 15.1%. So I mean, is a slow trading system. Is not, you might get 1 or 2 trades a month. You'll have a couple months that, you know, nothing at all. But this is the kind of system that I'm working on right now. Not trying to do those get rich quick martingale or grid, you know, type of systems. I want something slow and consistent. So this will just be trading on the Hong Kong. I will do some backtest in the future with different symbols and even on different brokers, because I want to try the system out on commodities, and at the moment I am not getting the option for commodities on 8cap, so I would try it out on hot Forex and see how we do on things like cocoa and wheat and that kind of stuff. So yeah, there's just another quick video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to follow the progress of this system that I'm developing and all the backtests. Stay tuned so you would see what the progress is in the future. So that is it for now, guys. See you all in the next video. Peace.